Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
You have said about the Goa Lokayukta Act is a toothless act. It lacks powers. Why do you say so?
The main defect is relating to power of the Lokayukta to prosecute. If you actually compare the Karnataka Act or the Kerala Act, on the basis of which primarily Goa Act was also modeled, there the Lokayukta itself has been given the power of prosecuting. Here, if at all prosecution has to be done, it has to be done by some other prosecuting agency like SCB or like officer in charge of a police station. But Lokayukta has not been given that power. So that is one amendment which should have been there, which should be there. And then there should be power to implement the order of Lokayukta. You see, under the Karnataka Act and the Kerala Act, there is a provision for starting a contempt proceeding. Here, under the Lokayukta Act, there is no such power given.
What has been Goa government's attitude towards the office of Lokayukta?
It is most non-cooperative. It is most non-cooperative, to use very mild words. It is very non-cooperative. I tell you, the government has got a power to make a reference to Lokayukta under section 9 of the Act. They can make a reference. So even they had made the references in 3-4 cases. In even those matters which government themselves had referred, they were not taking any subsequent step by way of appointing a nodal officer to look after the case and what should be done, etc. In spite of my request.
What about the support system to the office of Lokayukta in terms of investigation? Is it enough? And if not, what more needs to be done?
Support system, actually, the less said, the better. So far as institution of Lokayukta is concerned, from the very beginning, almost till the end, there are 4 police personnel. 2 of them are constables, 2 of them head constables. They were a part of the investigating staff. Then there were 2 clerical staff. They were appointed through some contract agency. They were not regular clerks appointed by the office of the Lokayukta. Then there was a court officer, a retired person as a court officer, a retired person as a register of the institution. Then there was a secretary who is still continuing as a secretary. He is also a retired person and he is also secretary of or some in charge of some other departments.